Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make affordable clothes look expensive. This poncho is only $14 and the quality so good. I love the outfits that I'm gonna be sharing with you today, and I'm super pumped that this video is in collaboration with Walmart. And I cannot stress this enough. I genuinely love dressing in Walmart clothes. I know people don't believe me, but I swear to God, I wear their clothes all week long. I might rock a designer handbag with it, but if someone compliments my outfit, I get really excited to be able to say, this sweater is from Walmart and it was only $14. It's like a personal win for me that I can pull it off and it looks so good. I'm going to be sharing full outfits, and then along the way, I'm gonna be like sliding in price tags of the pieces because you're gonna be shocked that almost every single item in today's video is under 30. A lot of things are way under 30, like under 15. Like it's crazy, but the quality, I promise you, is really, really good. It's not just gonna like fall apart. I wear this stuff a lot and I rewash it and everything. So everything that I show in today's video will be linked down below. But without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as you can probably guess, this is the first outfit. I cannot recommend this poncho enough. I think when you find a really good designer-inspired print that's just done well, you should jump on it. That's like the first tip I have of looking expensive. And I think this is really nice. And guys, it is so soft. I can't believe it's $14. I think there's another print that's darker, that's more black. But I just love this beigey light tone. And then underneath, you could darken it up with maybe a black, shirt underneath. This also is from Walmart. This is just a classic thermal. It comes in so many colors. I just went with like a light beige, but it's only $8. This is $8, so good. A really great basic just to kind of stock up on. And then the pants. So I'm wearing a light pair of jeans. They are only $26. They fit so well. They're not like skin tight, skinny jeans, but they're not really loose and wide leg either. Just like a really great fit, and they show off shoes really well. You could pair them with a pair of boots maybe. I just went with flats. I'm gonna get to these flats very soon. You've seen them in so many videos. I highly recommend them. But overall, I'm loving this light, bright, designer-inspired look. You can't go wrong. Oh my goodness, we can't forget about the hat, because in the thumbnail picture for this entire video, I styled this outfit with a good hat. The thing is, in that photo, it was a very expensive hat, which I'm now annoyed about because this one also comes in a light color that would look great with this, and it's under $30. We're gonna get to this hat with a different outfit very soon. But I highly recommend it. It's so cute. You could obviously style this outfit a little bit darker, maybe like have a black shirt underneath and the black hat would look great. But like I said, this comes in a light color and it would look amazing. Always add a hat. Instant elevation to your outfit. So next we have leopard, which I know some people might be getting sick of leopard at this point, but I am not. I love a good leopard print if it is done well, and this particular leopard print I love. This sweater's only $19.99. It feels so good. It's just a really good quality sweater. And then that leads me to the rest of the outfit. So I'm wearing just Sofia Vergara jeans. They're very plain. There's no ripping. I just wanted something kind of dark and solid. I feel like dark jeans always bring the look up a little bit, make it look a little more expensive. And then this coat, it's like a teddy coat. Guys, I love it. I love adding in kind of like a similar tone throughout your entire outfit. So for this one, it's definitely kind of like a dark cognac camel color. This coat is so comfy. It's warm, it's fuzzy, and the best part, it's only $27, okay? It's really, really nice. I'm actually leaving this unbuttoned because I went to see the leopard. But I'm now adding in these cognac camel colored booties that match really nice with this entire outfit. And just like that, I feel like it looks good. It's a very well coordinated outfit. That's the key, coordination. And I did it. Okay, so just keeping on with the leopard theme, I just wanted to show this to you super quick because I've been loving it so much. So this would be great for yourself, but then I also think it would be really cool as a gift just because of the way it's presented. It's wrapped really nice with like a bow, but it's a leopard robe, but it also comes with matching slippers. So it's super cute. It's so soft. Like really, it's $18. Like that's, you can't beat that price. And then it also has pockets. I just throw it on at night. I like on the weekends after showering. It's, I don't know, it's cute, but it's comfortable as well. And I love the matching slippers. I just feel kind of stylish walking around the house. So I just wanted to mention that. Not a full outfit. I just really like it. So now we're on to this light and bright outfit. And yes, I know you guys are noticing my hair. I purposely left it tucked into the cardigan to give the illusion that I cut my hair. And I know everyone's going to comment saying I should cut my hair, and I probably should cut my hair. I'm just scared, okay? I don't know what the right answer is, but by everyone agreeing that I should, it makes me feel self-conscious about what my hair even looks like. But anyway, back to the outfit. I really think that when you dress in all light shades or all dark shades, it really elevates the entire outfit and makes it look more expensive. So for this outfit, it's obviously all light colors and they work really great together. I love this cardigan. I think it's only $22. I love how it has very subtle stripes on it. There's pockets, and at the end it's actually squared off rather than like circle or rounded. I feel like it gives it a nice fresh look. And then I just paired it with a light lace cami. You can get these under $15, under $10. I can link some below. And then I am wearing these light jeans again. I just really like these light jeans. And we have to talk about the flats, guys. Oh, the flats. I know this is like the third or fourth time I've mentioned these flats. I wear them so much. This was just one of my all-time favorite purchases of this year, maybe the last few years, but I can't recommend these flats enough. These flats are $37.99, so I realize they are more expensive than some of the other pieces in this video, but they are totally worth it. They are so comfortable. You can get them in different shades. I love the jeweled little piece here. I just really recommend these. So they look great with this outfit. Again, never know how to move on, so. Okay, so here we are next with a more dressy outfit, something maybe you could wear to the office. I love this. It's actually a Sofia Vergara bodysuit. So she's kind of known for her denim line, but I think she's branching out into other clothing pieces, and I just love this bodysuit. It's kind of like mixing a very basic piece with a more loud pair of pants. So this pair of like checked pants, $16. Love them. They're like boot cut. They're not skinny, they're not wide. I just really like the cut of them, and they're just easy. They fit very, very well. So my recommendation is to either just wear it like this, or you could actually pair it with a black blazer, which I have. So here is a basic black blazer that I got from Walmart many months ago. I've worn it many times to work. It's still available. It's by George. And then I just throw on a pair of basic heels. So that's the theme of this particular outfit. Just rocking a lot of basic items with maybe one statement piece. In this case, it's my pants. These shoes, I really think they're comfortable, by the way. On the weekends, I like to wear really high heels, maybe out to dinner. But to work, I like more of a low heel. So this is the perfect height, and they're super comfortable. So for this outfit, we're bringing it back to the hat. And so that's what I really want to emphasize with this outfit. When you want to look a little more expensive, look like you paid more for an outfit than you really did, try to add one piece that you don't even need. Like, you don't need this hat with this outfit, but it totally adds something. So like I said, this hat does come in a light beige color, but also the black. And I just really like the floppiness of it. There's just some floppiness, but not too much. So I really recommend this. And then I did just, pair it with another leopard cardigan. However, usually I'm seeing leopard print in the classic brown or beigey tones, but this is a dark leopard color. I really like it. I just kept on the Sofia Vergara bodysuit. Again, just a nice classic piece to have. Sofia Vergara jeans, and then some black flats. And then lickety split, that is a really weird term. I don't know why I said it, but this outfit is super easy and looks really chic. So that does it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you happen to be new. I really hope you got some inspiration out of this video. And like I said, everything that I showed will be linked down below. And just thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon, maybe in one of these videos, but very soon in my next one. Bye.